Dyslexia and disorders affecting you? It's true, the first time I heard the New Zealand statistics, I cried. Then I got angry, and now I'm doing something about it. Here's the New Zealand facts. School-aged children, up to 30% have one or more disorders. No wonder teachers struggle. 28% of school-aged children live in poverty. Suicides, 13 every 2 weeks. Highest proportion being youth between 15 and 24. Prison inmates, 90% are not functionally literate. 80% are not functionally numerate. DYS, do you see what I saw from the 30% to the 90% in prison? 90% struggle to read and understand what they are signing. That's dyslexia. 90% struggle to complete forms and get emergency supplies. That's dysgraphia. 80% struggle to budget and keep a roof over their heads and feed their family and whānau. That's dyscalculia. Just to be clear, what I saw from the Aotearoa funded research, not functionally literate or numerate does not mean not intelligent. And just to be crystal clear, it's not parents or teachers' fault. It's not even the government's fault. People just don't know what they don't know. I do know about disorders because I have many. I call it my gift of the dys, and I'm not afraid to use it to lead a normal, functional life. You see, because of my gift, I'm a highly qualified electromechanical engineer and an outstanding teacher both in the UK and in New Zealand. I'm a foster parent, I'm a homeowner, etc, etc, etc. Basically, I live a normal, productive life. Not famous, just normal, and I'm keen to share it with you. When Neil Mackay came to New Zealand, he's a UK expert on dyslexia. He shared how to create a criminal, 9 steps to failure. Well, I'd like to do with my disco training, how to lead a normal, productive life, 9 workshops to success, where you will discover the wow, the W for what it might look, sound and feel like to have one of the disorders. O offers screening and solutions to use immediately, so that's no test, just talk and action required. And the W, walk away with Disco's tips and tools to keep as ongoing benefit for your children. So if you want to work smarter, not harder, and use F words more often, that's about spending more time having fun with your friends, family and whānau. Don't wait for your child to fail any longer. Book a 15-minute conversation, a private consultation with me. Click on the button below to book it. We'll discuss your strengths and your struggles, and if we're a good fit, we'll work out a solution to suit. To your success.